Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're already in safe mode. Act now. First, verify the small safe mode text in the corner so you don't troubleshoot the wrong issue. Next, remove any case and free the buttons. Stuck volume keys force safe mode on boot. Once done, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears. Tap Restart. This clean reboot is the recommended first step because it forces Android to relaunch normal services and clears transient boot flags. If a simple restart didn't clear safe mode, force a reboot by holding power plus volume down for about 10 seconds. This simulates a battery pull and removes temporary boot flags. Once the phone boots, check apps installed or updated in the last day or two. Malfunctioning apps often trigger safe mode. Uninstall or disable those apps and reboot again. Also check device admin apps in settings since they can block changes. Removing admin rights, then uninstalling solves the issue in many cases. If safe mode persists, wipe the cache partition in recovery. Power off, then press power plus volume up plus Bixby or volume up on A20S to enter recovery and choose wipe cache partition. This clears system caches without erasing data. If buttons are physically stuck, clean or replace them. Hardware often forces safe mode. As a last resort, back up your data and perform a factory reset. Do this only after exhausting other steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.